Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today what I'll be showing you is how much calories can you burn with 30 minutes of moving furniture and assorted items. I had just moved out of my apartment and had to put some stuff into storage. Now this information may be relevant for those of you who are moving or are putting stuff into storage. Maybe you got kicked out of the house because your family members are sick and tired of you making TikTok videos. And I think it's interesting to find new ways for you to burn calories at home when gyms are closed. I personally am trying to reduce the girth around my waist so that I could return to the beach when it's safe. So here's the Apple Watch Series 2. We're going to scroll until we hit the other setting, because there's no current setting for moving furniture, although you could say that maybe lifting or strength training is included, but it's a pretty diverse functional activity. Now I'm doing this move on my own today. I would suggest that you get a helper for the heavier items just so you could minimize the risk of injury. You want to protect your back, you want to make sure that you move with the right strategy, so I'll also be going over some body mechanics 101. So right here I'm just moving some of the loose items out. I want to make sure that I have easy access to the couch when we need to move that out. Wear closed-toed shoes when you're moving heavy things. You want to protect your toes from any damage. Nail salons may be closed, so you don't want to have any mishaps happen to your toenails. So whenever you're lifting heavy items, the big thing to do is to make sure that you get a good solid handle on it. You want to make sure that you're as close to the object as possible. And right now I'm pulling the couch out of the car slowly, because I want to make sure that I protect the car while protecting the piece of furniture, and then I just allow gravity to do the work for pulling the couch down. And I'm controlling some of that descent into a squat. So now we got the couch out of the car and we'll be moving it into the garage. Whenever you're lifting heavy things, you want to make sure you keep your back posture upright. Keep your back flat, do not allow it to round excessively. You want to pull in your core and control your breathing. So right here I decided to put a little cardboard underneath to allow the couch to slide. Whenever you're moving, you want to make sure you don't muscle things, but you want to take advantage of any smooth surfaces that you have. If you're moving stuff on carpet, there are these things that you can purchase called furniture movers. Otherwise, what you can do is just use a small frisbee or plastic disc and apply them. If you're moving on a hard surface, then you want something that's more or less soft. So if you're moving things on a hardwood floor, then put a towel underneath the chair legs. Right here we're just doing a little reorganization work to make sure that there's enough space for the couch. It's amazing how much stuff you could accumulate over a couple of years. I would say a lot of the stuff I've had since I was in college and even into grad school. Okay, so we're at the 18-minute mark right now, and I burned 83 active calories and I burned 117 total calories. I would say at this point I wasn't too tired, but I still decided to take a break in the middle. Whenever you're moving heavy things, you want to make sure you give yourself enough time to take breaks and to kind of reorganize your mind so that when you're moving stuff, you don't make any rash, quick movements that could end up causing injury. So there, I didn't calculate this well because I had ended up with the wrong end of the couch into the corner, and I actually wanted the seat back to hug those closet doors on the side, so I have to move that out. If I had oriented the couch correctly when I got out of the car, then I think it would save me a little bit of time and effort. So always try to plan your moves ahead of time when you can. Now we're working up a pretty good sweat here, trying to get some of those love handles out to prepare me for going back to the beach, which may be opening up soon, but if you're thinking about going to the beach now, make sure that you are safe, you wear a mask, and you stay 6 feet apart from other people. Now I'm sharing a lot of this from my personal experience and also my professional experience as a physical therapist. If you like content like this, please hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. I'll be releasing videos every week, so if you subscribe, you'll get notifications on when the next video will be released. So here's the before picture. And here's an after picture. So we basically did the reverse of what Marie Kondo would have wanted. So at the end of 33 minutes, I burned 240 calories. Now you may get different results based on your height, your weight, and fitness level, and the things that you're lifting for your move. But I just wanted to share with you the data that I got off of my Apple Watch. If you guys are interested in any other videos showing how much calories you burn through different functional movements, feel free to comment below. And we will see you next time.